Hi, my name is Alexa. I'm the owner here at Business Marketing Times 10. I am a social media marketing specialist and I help business owners like yourself increase your sales, your brand awareness, and your revenue all through leveraging social media. So you're probably wondering why you're getting this video right now. I came across your Facebook and your website and I just wanted to give you some advice and some tips onto how to increase the presence of your social media to get your brand awareness out there and hopefully increase conversions on prospects into paying clients. So I wanted to start with your Facebook. You have 188 people who like your page. Let's see, you do post quite often, which is good. Yeah, so I would just keep up with, consistently posting stuff like this, showing your work, things you do behind the scene. Excuse me. Another thing I would recommend is doing videos. So, showing people a video of you putting a bouquet together or, explaining to people why you're using certain types of flowers or what flowers are good for certain occasions, what flowers might be good for a wedding, just like anything. Videos get the most engagement. Facebook Live is a really good tool as well. I would really utilize those. You can, like I said, video anything, just you walking around the business, like talking about yourself and you as a business owner, those types of things. People like to see what's going on behind the scenes just to see that you are just a little bit more trustworthy and that you care about the quality of your business. So let's see, another thing I would recommend is running some Facebook ads. So I don't know if you have run any Facebook ads, but this is where you would go to do it. Just do the little drop down and click create ads. That's where you can go to create any type of hyper targeted ad for traffic, post engagement, page likes, conversions, video views. There's a lot of different possibilities. Valentine's Day is coming up, so that's a really good time for you to run some ads. I'm sure that's already a very busy time of the year for you, but I'm sure the more the sales, the better. So, targeting people that are in a relationship, engaged, married, those types of things, certain age brackets, certain income levels. There's a lot of different things that you could target and run ads for and, get more sales from there. One last thing I would recommend on Facebook is maybe participating in a giveaway from your business. So doing something like say putting together a flower piece that's maybe like $150 or saying, free bouquets for a year. So you give away, one bouquet for every month of the year to one lucky winner, which I'm sure for you could be, over like a $600 to maybe even $1,000 value. That's a good way to capture a lot of emails. Number one, as a business owner, you definitely always want to be increasing your email list as well as, doing more email marketing and retargeting that email market list. As well as, getting more Facebook likes, more brand awareness, those types of things. So then, you give that giveaway to one lucky winner and then you maybe give like a $5 off coupon to everyone else. So that just increases your sales and gives those people more of an incentive to still want to buy into your services. So moving on to your website. One thing I would recommend for your website is having like a little capture landing page right here to get more emails, like I said. Here you could also do like that $5 off coupon, maybe 10% off a $100 or more purchase. You could even create like an ebook. There's endless options for, what you could give away in order to get somebody's email. Like I said, it just gives them more of an incentive to, one, buy from you, and two, even if they don't buy from you later on down the line, like I said, you can retarget your email list and hopefully turn those warm leads into paying clients. Another thing I would recommend is creating a branding video for your website. So, you just sitting down and as an owner and talking about why you decided to open this business. Why did you decide to become a florist? What was it about flowers that you really liked? Why do you like helping people? What is so fulfilling for you that, creating a bouquet of flowers and, giving it to somebody who is sick or just got married or for love or an apology or just because, those types of things. So anything, like I said, to just seem more trustworthy and that you care about the quality and the customers is definitely something people like to see before they come and buy from you. It's definitely a upper advantage compared to, let's say, your leading competitor in the area who doesn't have a video and people are like, which person should I choose? It obviously seems like you're more genuine and care about the people because you sit down and take the time and talk about your business. So that really, really helps. And lastly, I know you have an Instagram page. I would link it here. I know you don't post on the Instagram page, so I would just keep up consistently with posting on Instagram as well. One good tool you can use for posting is an app on your phone called Hootsuite. It's Hoot Suite. So what you can do with that is maybe when you have like 15 minutes of free time or even before you go to bed, just write up a quick post, something, like along the lines of posts that you already make with the pictures of flowers or, explaining something for people. And then you can schedule that for, let's say, on Thursday at 12 p.m. So that'll go out automatically versus you having to sit down and create the post at the time or you just forget. So that's a really good thing. It keeps people consistent, like I said. Posting at least 3 times a week minimally would be probably the most optimal. Doing the videos on here as well, like I said, for Facebook. And on Instagram, definitely utilizing the hashtags so you get more engagement and more awareness of your brand. So yeah, these are probably like the small pieces of advice I would give just to increase the awareness of your company. But these are all services that I do offer as a digital marketer. So if you have any questions or nothing really made any sense, definitely reach out to me and I'll answer any other questions. I would love to hop on a quick call with you or even have a sit-down meeting to see how I might be able to help your business out through social media. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video and I hope you have a great day.